Let's see. All right, and we live. I think we're good. Nice. All right. What is going on, guys? Wow, what an eventful week. What an eventful day. Crypto market cap hitting about $1 trillion today. We are knocking at the doors of 1 trillion currently. Let's go ahead and take a look at the market cap as a whole just to see exactly where we're at. Honestly, guys, this is nuts. I remember literally back here when we hit like 880 billion dollar market cap for crypto, but wow, I guess I didn't even realize we passed it. So let's take a look real quick today. Did we actually pass it? Yeah, pretty much. Looks like we passed it. I know I was on Twitter earlier and everyone was tweeting about it. And of course, we also just passed $37,000 Bitcoin. Guys, what is going on? Now, honestly, I'll tell you what's going on. Just recently, I'm sure as you all probably know, actually you can literally see it right here. Looks like there's like a pro-Trump rally apparently, breaching Capitol Hill. I think because the Senate, or pretty much every part of the of Congress and whatnot, is going to be essentially fully Democratic. At least that's what people are thinking. That's crazy. That's pretty nuts. And again, all politics aside, I think that's probably why everything is kind of cracking all-time highs again. Probably just because, assuming everything does become democratic, everything pretty much, then what does that mean? Free money. Let's go. Free money. Again, stimulus checks out the booty hole, which means I might actually finally get one. I haven't this whole time. 2 stimulus checks have come out. Many people have gotten unemployment. I have gotten zero, nothing, nada. Not that I care, but still, Hey, David Carr, what is going on, brother? What is going on, boy? Bro, it's crazy stuff going on here. Crazy stuff. So that's what I'm thinking. Honestly, I said this last live stream too, I think as well. I think that for the most part, a reason why a lot of like all this pumping is really happening, especially like these, it's almost like isolated, like really like crazy run-ups that keep happening. It's just because of what's going on here. Like again, mainly in the U.S. I guess let's be honest. It's mainly the stuff going on in the U.S. Right? Whether it's new stimulus checks coming out that last time, this time looks like the whole, most of the government's going to be Democratic. Just Democratic, yeah, liberal, whatever. Yeah. So I think a lot of it has to do with what's going on here in terms of politics here in the U.S. But shoot, I mean, again, we're in crypto, so not that it makes too much of a difference anyways. I mean, literally, like, to me, I'm cool with it. I'm cool, I'm fine. Especially because look at all these numbers, bro. Stellar is up 74% today. Maker's up 34%. NEM 25, Cardano 27. Wow, bro. And Chainlink is ripping right now. 17. Look. Oh, we're closing near all-time highs again. Actually, it's like a little bull flag right there. Ooh, David says, "Hey brother, before I got into crypto community, there was no hope for me. It's such a positive solution-based community." Dude, that's awesome to hear, bro. No, it really is, man. Like it also depends on like who you're talking to in crypto as well. Just like any community. But obviously, we're all here at the end of the day to make money together, right? Because let's be honest, the space is still so small. Even though they just hit 1 trillion, there you go, 1 trillion. That it's just like everyone's gonna make money pretty much no matter what you put your money into. For the most part, I mean, if you really dig deep, you put your money into some random shit, then maybe you won't. But we're all making money here together, bro. That's all it's about. Positive vibes, bro. I like that. Solution-based community. Pretty important. But hey, listen, man. I'm glad you're in. We're all enjoying these beautiful gains. It's kind of nuts. I mean, honestly, all this stuff going on. Let's see actually the top gain coins on Marketcap. Gainers and losers. Let's see. Oh, volume isn't that crazy. But wow, that's crazy. That is really nuts. Let's see. Is there anything here that I am familiar with? Uyas, mixed tea. I mean, I feel like I know some of these, but not really. Dodo. S&T is up a lot. Finally. Oh, Nano's up a lot too, actually. 67%. Wow. And XLM, obviously. But damn, it's status. I wonder why. People finally realize that status is fire? Like, obviously. Oh, my God. Nah, I love Status, bro. Status is so dope. It's like, to me, that's my favorite ERC20 wallet for sure, and Messenger, honestly, at this point. It's crazy. But yeah, no, guys. I mean, this stuff is nuts. So, in my opinion, I definitely think it's like the reason for this huge pump is really the mainly, we know what's going on over here, right? And just in case you're not familiar, let's go ahead and like, kind of read this little blurb here. Wednesday afternoon, which is pretty much today, a mob of Trump supporters entered the Capitol building and engaged with riot police as Congress held a joint session to count the 2020 Electoral College votes. One person was shot, 5 others were taken to the hospital. Both chambers of Congress recessed debate over the 2020 electoral votes after the mob forced a lockdown at the Capitol and the evacuation of the lawmakers and VP Mike Pence. U.S. officials now say the building is secure. That's crazy. That is nuts. Again, all politics aside, that's definitely why. It's definitely why. Hey, my man Omar Bam is live now. Damn, bro, I'm competing against Omar. No. I don't do news like that. But, jeez, that is crazy. But listen, BTC, almost 37,000. Guys, where's the pullback? Honestly, like, I was... Look at that. Oh, my God, it's crazy. No, listen. There's going to be a pullback. There has to be. Like, I don't believe that, like... Okay, look. Even this... Even that run-up wasn't as thick. So let's go... Look, not even this run-up was as crazy as literally, like, now. You know? Like, this is literally almost a straight line. And actually, something else I would like to look at is, so when did we really start kicking off? So, like, right over here, right? October. Oh, that's because we're looking back to 2014, okay. So let's look right here. So, I mean, October really is when things started ramping up. Because ever since then, we've been just shooting up. And we did have a little bit of a hiccup over here, let's see. We hit about 35,000, and then we went down to 31, it looks like. So, just a little bit of a hiccup, but nothing crazy at all, though, I'll be honest. And that's the great part about this, right? I mean, let's go ahead and, let's see. Let's go ahead and take a look. Actually, I might as well do this as well. Let's see. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and actually put this stuff on the my Discord chat, too. Get some people in here as well. Let's see. Live again. Crypto market cap at 1 trillion. 1 trillion. And BTC knocking at 37K. Let's do it. Bam. I like the little logo I have for myself. The little Bitcoin thing in the back. Love it. But alright. Let's go ahead and see. So yeah. And then Ethereum is at $1,200 currently. Wow, I think the Ethereum chart's actually a little more crazier. Oh Lord, look at that. No, Ethereum really went nuts. I mean, let's see, did Ethereum technically do more gains than Bitcoin? Yes, it did. So technically, from the March lows, Bitcoin did about 10x, right? Oh no, Bitcoin did about actually 12x now, and Ethereum is also at 12x, but Ethereum has not ran up as much as Bitcoin yet. Like this rally, at least. It hasn't broken all-time highs. So honestly, I think Ethereum's definitely going to be like the, like the sleeper, you know? I mean, this is not sleeping. It's not sleeping, but you know what I mean? Like, I think there's more opportunity in Ethereum right now than there is Bitcoin. Definitely. David says, assuming that today's events are going to be the result of a major pump, do you think it makes a major dip imminent? Kind of thought there wouldn't be a major dip for a while, but after today, I don't know. No, definitely, bro. I mean, okay, listen, at the end of the day, no one can call it top, but if you ask me, bro, like, for sure, there's going to be a dip. There's no way that, let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. There's no way this shit is holding at 37K and flattening out there. No way, bro. Look at that. I mean, it's possible. Anything is possible, technically, but I don't see it. But I said the same thing at 33K and 35. So, I don't know, bro. ETH to 2K soon, says Eugene. Yeah, bro. 2K ETH would be fire. I would just be worried about the transaction fees that are associated with it, you know? Actually, isn't there something called like TX Street that we can look at? Let me see. And one Play 5 back in the building. Jew, what are we copying? Bro, we're copying essentially almost anything. Anything to me, anything that hasn't pumped yet. Okay, here we go. All right, TX Street. All right, so essentially what this is a visualization of what transactions look like on the blockchain in the form of a street and people getting on little cars and stuff. The funniest thing ever, bro. So as you can see, essentially what this is, all right, so much like how blockchains work, think of each of these buses as blockchains over here. Sorry, each of these buses as blocks, on the chain. And obviously, the next transaction, like the next batch of transactions to go out. So these little people are transactions, and these buses are blocks that are essentially going to deliver the transactions. So currently, there's quite a bit of a backup on, obviously, Ethereum, on Bitcoin. Ethereum definitely, $13 per transaction fee is quite expensive. There's over 75,000 pending transactions on Ethereum, and Bitcoin about 22,000. So, essentially, the point is that you probably shouldn't be using Ethereum right now, unless you have a lot of money to spend, because you're going to be waiting. Either you have to pay a lot to get to the top, the bus get to the top of the line, or you pay the medium fee, and you're probably included in one of these transactions down here below. So yeah, pretty nuts. I mean, I love this visualization, by the way. It's great. But yeah, so I don't know, bro. Again, if you ask me, I mean, 2K Ethereum. I mean, it's not impossible, especially because what Bitcoin did. No, Bitcoin is literally doing, as we speak, almost 100% of its last all-time high. That's crazy, So, for Ethereum, I mean, it's definitely possible, bro. Especially since we haven't even hit all-time highs yet. It's 100% possible. But for me, bro, like, personally, I don't know. Like, and I said this before. I'll say it again. If I had a lot of BTC right now, bro, I would probably short it. I would probably short it. It's just so high already. 36K. You know what I mean? Like, I guess it doesn't feel like it's a lot already, just because we've technically been looking at it for the past week. But, dude, put that in perspective. We've been in a bear market for like 4 years. Like 2 years. BitBoy predicts 27K by the end of the year. What? No. Oh wait, Ethereum? $27,000 Ethereum? I don't know. I don't see that. I don't see that. I don't see $27,000 Ethereum, bro. You probably just did that for some clickbait. I don't think it's gonna be 27,000. Bro, like, okay. The only way Ethereum will hit $27,000 is if the world economy collapses, the U.S. dollar becomes defunct, Bitcoin becomes the hedge, and I grow wings in the back of my back. How about that? Yeah, no, that's not happening. Now, in all reality, ETH 2.0 would need to be out for that to happen, at least, because right now, bro, there's no way. There's no way that would happen. 27K, bro. I'll be happy if we hit like 10K Ethereum. Even that's kind of reaching. There you go, $37,000 Bitcoin. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, okay, it went back down. But yeah, so I don't know. I think for the most part, like, I mean, the altcoins have already started to do their thing. Obviously, Stellar did 151% this week. Cardano 81%, and all these other altcoins around 30 to 50. I mean, crazy. And this is only the top 100, right? Let's go to the top 200. See what those are looking like. Let's take a look. 80% for Utrust. Oh damn, Utrust doing some moves. LTO, Toma Chain. Literally, like all this stuff has already gone up. So honestly, listen, for most of you guys who are into altcoins, and obviously me, I love altcoins. Like, if your coin is not pumped yet, just relax. Just wait, bro. You're gonna end up losing money trying to chase the pumps. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Especially if you're kind of new in the space, I wouldn't mess around. Starting to trade around and like try to catch the next pump. Like, as long as you're not in some complete crap, you're fine. I guarantee it. Listen, bro. I guarantee it. That's literally how 2017 was, and that's exactly how I bet you this is going to be like too, right? Because at the end of the day, like, the altcoins are going to pump, mainly just because it's in the whale's incentive to pump it because they're going to make money from it from the pump as well. So why not secure your seat in the back beforehand so that when that whale comes through, or the masses come through to your coin or whatever, want to pump it, you've been chilling. You got your ticket already. You're hanging out. Instead of like rushing off the bus and trying to get a ticket for another coin or a train. You know what I mean? Like, nah. That doesn't make any sense. Just relax, bro, and do some research in the meantime. That's what I find is the best solution to cure my FOMO. My FOMO anxiety of missing out on these coins. Uniswap is another one that I'm like all in on, bro, for sure. Let's see. Price was about the high for Uniswap was $7.12. We've been kind of chilling ever since, but we're slowly going up. I'm huge in Uniswap, low key, and obviously like people were giving this for free, so this is probably good though. The people actually have it more so than the whales. But the point is that people are always surprised that something that was given for free, literally 400 coins of Uni given for free, that right now it's worth $6.36. So if you sold it, you got pretty much $2,400 for free. Bro, honestly, bullish. Uniswap V3 coming out. Apparently it might be on layer 2. Oh, if they make Uniswap on the layer 2 solution, bro, it's over, bro. Oh my god. And when Play 5 says he's doing the same thing, researching mostly. That's all you can do right now, bro. Like the one thing that I noticed with like certain people, like for example, you guys probably don't watch him or anything, but Trevon James, he makes like videos about betting and stuff like that, with like crypto and stuff. I feel like people like him. This isn't no shot, by the way. People like him tend to like need to always be doing something with their crypto. They always want to like feel like they're trying to get more or do like nah, bro. Like you could bet it. You could maybe get some more. You could, I don't know. You could do any of that stuff. I find that it's a lot easier on your mental health and sometimes your wallet to just like put the money in some shit that is going to do well, and just leave it be. It's hard to do sometimes, but trust me. The only thing that I'm like that, where I can't leave it alone, is money. Is US dollars. I always have to do something with it. Yeah, bro. and when Play 5 says, always trading or aping, find your good shit coins and just chill, bro. Yes, dude. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. And we'll see, bro. I mean, listen, there are a ton of good picks here. Like, honestly, top 100. Honestly, I think the top 100 for like so far, like this year, it's pretty legitimate. Like, it's honestly so much random shit that I would have never expected to be here. But in a way, I kind of like it, though. I don't know. Yeah. Like, sushi swaps over here. FTX token. I think someone was asking me about FTX the other day. SNX, I made a video about that today. People were asking about that. I didn't even know that was a thing. Wolfie, what's going on, brother? Crazy, bro. Eugene says, what's your strategy when planning to sell? You obviously wouldn't want to hold through a crash. Eugene. Question of the year, bro. You know what? I'm going to... Oh, God. I'm gonna tell you like a very quick little story real quick about the last bull run that I went through. Got into crypto around 2017, early 2017. And your boy held quite a few altcoins, mainly XVG and a couple other ones. Well, long story short, they ended up doing very well. And let's just say I could have made quite a good amount of money. Quite a good amount. And I didn't because I didn't sell. So, till 2024, what a beast. And that's the thing. So I didn't sell. And I've been holding my coins ever since. Like, ever since Verge went all the way up and went all the way back down. I've been holding ever since. Now, whenever I tell people that, they're like, oh, that sucks, bro. Shit, damn. Like, you fucked up. All that stuff. Honestly, I'm kind of happy I did. Because I feel like you have to, live through, a certain period of wealth. Like you have to, I saw on Twitter somewhere where they said, you have to live through 2 bull markets to really make money. Because the first one is learning. The second one is actually taking what you learned and applying it. Because, I remember the first time, bro. I went through, this thing, and I remember literally December last year. I was looking at my wallet. I'm like, yo, this is nuts. As soon as I said that, I should have sold. I should have sold. Oh my god, bro. It's crazy. So yeah, in terms of my plan for trying to sell, honestly, bro, I'm waiting for BTC to hit at least 100K before I start considering selling anything else. And obviously, the altcoins will have pumped before then. But it really depends on like what you're looking for out of like your crypto investment. You know what I mean? Because some people are good with a certain amount, some people aren't. But again, the main thing is to not get too greedy. So that's why I think living through one cycle helped me a little bit. But I'll be with you guys here. I'll be here with you guys the whole time. So I'll let you guys know when I end up trying to sell and whatnot. M1 Play 5 says the whole top 200 gonna flip. All of those 50 older coins. Let's see, bro. Let's see. I think there's gonna be a lot more newcomers in that top 100. Definitely. Keep hodling. Hell yeah. Daniel says this is nuts. History in the making. Come on, Daniel. Come on, bro. I think I saw you message me on Discord. Hold on. What'd you say? It's gonna get a VC in an hour. Oh shit. Sorry, bro. All right. Well, we're gonna VC soon. He said M1 Play 5 says yes. This is my second bull run. I only feel like I'm just getting my reins. Yeah, bro. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, for the most part, I think there are a good amount of people here from the last bull run, obviously. A good amount of people who were involved in the last bull run are probably here for this one. And I think all the people who were able to live through the last one are definitely going to get some good shit out of this, right? I mean, listen, I'm not holding through the next bear market, okay? I'm not doing it. But the question is, will there be a bear market? Will we get to a point where, with all this stuff going on with the government and, pretty much like all USD and fiat currencies being devalued like crazy, will we be able to just use crypto and just pay our taxes that way? Can I go to the Burger King and buy me a burger with my Bitcoin? Hey, who knows? Maybe I can use that and get me like a Tesla or something, huh? The Bronx Pop's going on. He says, what? He retracted his message. All right, wait. All right, I didn't see it. Anyways, yes, I'm waiting for hopefully when we get to the point where literally like we can actually use this stuff as currency. Like I want to be able to get on a plane with my my ledger, my hardware wallet or whatever, and be able to use that sole thing as a way to buy things anywhere. I know that sounds like not too I know that doesn't sound that important, but like think about it. Like for example, you go to a different country, you go to like Mexico or freaking I don't know, Europe. You need to have obviously a bank account to use money over there, because you can't bring cash with you. If you bring cash on a plane with you, bro, you're asking to get searched and have that shit seized right away. And obviously if you have a bank account, then I don't know, like they know exactly where you're taking the money from. You might get charged a transaction fee, a foreign transaction fee. You have to worry about your card being not compromised, all that stuff. And not to mention, what if there just is no like depending where you're going, like for example Albania. I was in Albania. A lot of places don't take credit cards, so you're kind of screwed for the most part, low key. But with Bitcoin, it's literally like your phone, which almost everyone has, in the planet. Almost everyone has. And a QR code. That's it, right? How simple is that? That's why, I think at some point we're gonna get there. I don't think we're gonna get there this bull run, but hopefully by the next one we will. Yeah. Hey, okay, the Bronx Pop says, Mark Cuban, wait, what? I'll run if Bitcoin gets to $1 million for president. Oh, Mark Cuban will run for president, yeah, if Bitcoin gets to $1 million. I think I heard that, yeah. Mark Cuban's bugging, bro. No one's gonna vote for Mark Cuban. I mean, Trump did win. Listen, what about Kanye, bro? Put Kanye up there. Why not? Okay, wait. How crazy would it be? What if we all wrote down Satoshi Nakamoto as the president? Pseudonymous? Oh, whatever. An anonymous figure that no one knows who he is, where he's at. What if we vote him or her, or them, in as president? Then will we essentially have just, our country ran by someone and no one at the same time? Honestly, what would happen? I wonder what would happen if it ended up coming through. Obviously, no one would do that, but still. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, no, we're living in such crazy times. I feel like at every point in the world, I guess, it's always felt like it's the craziest time, but this has to be it, bro. This has to be like the craziest time in the world right now. Literally, this has to be. Looks like Bitcoin and Ethereum are kind of cooling down as well. Um, then Polkadot's another one, man. Polkadot's been kind of just ramping up ever since. Literally, bro. Like $2. Was kind of chilling around the $4, $5 range for a little bit, and pumped up to $10. Honestly, I thought it did actually a little more gains than that. But okay, good. I don't feel like I missed out on that much. 100% gain from $5. It's not too bad. I don't mind missing that. You know. That's the thing. Like, I feel like, the funny part about crypto is I feel like a lot of people who came from stocks, they're kind of getting desensitized to the gains. Because I'll be honest, like to me, 20, 30, 40% is like, that's okay. Like I'm used to seeing these gains, you know? I don't know. I love volatility, I guess. And one play 5 says that is going up because the parachain auctions are coming. Interesting. You can't trade stocks anymore. Damn, bro, what'd you do? You over leverage? Nah, bro. I don't know. Once in a lifetime chance. There you go, bro. Yeah, I know you said you're a fan of Polkadot. Now listen, bro. People are really hype about Polkadot. I ain't gonna lie to you. Really hype. Like, I mean, I'm seeing $100 predictions to just 10x from here. And listen, if obviously if all this stuff ends up coming through, then listen, $100 is pretty conservative, right? It's 1,000% gains from over here. You know, because that's the thing. Like, what kind of value? What value do you put on, like, a working blockchain that is fast and efficient? Think about it. We put a $136 billion value on a blockchain that is slow as all hell, has transaction fees that cost sometimes more than the transaction itself, and it's only going up. So you can put it that way, right? That is pretty crazy. Oh yeah. And one play 5 is saying we need more layers to connect to ETH. Yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying. No, yeah, crypto overall definitely like once in a lifetime chance. It's crazy, bro. So man's calling it $1,000 dot. My guy, if Polkadot goes to $1,000, I don't know. Listen, you will have called it here on this stream. I'll come back to this. But yeah, nah, dude. I mean, it's the thing. The thing is that there are a bunch of layer 2 solutions for Ethereum already, but none of them seem to really be like there are ones that are working obviously, but none of them seem to be working like efficiently enough for like everyone to be using it yet, you know? Because obviously like Loopring has their own like exchange, layer 2 exchange that you can use. I don't know how liquidity is on that, but if that, I think Synthetics. Does Synthetics have one? I don't think they have a layer 2 exchange. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I think what Uniswap is trying to do is have like let me see if I can actually pull it up over here. I think what they're trying to do is make sure that the V3 of what they're doing is actually going to be on a layer 2 solution. So let's go ahead and take a look. Maybe we can actually look at some of that. Uniswap V3. LRC, yeah. They've had a lot of new updates. Yeah, bro. Like, that's just dope. It's funny. I was going to use it the other day, but to actually put my Ethereum on a layer 2, it was going to cost me $30. Nah, bro. I ain't doing that. No. Yeah, there we go. Let's take a look at this little article. 3 things users hope to see realized when Uniswap V3 launches. Here we go. 3 things. So obviously the governance token Uni. Obviously it's got to be, some sort of use there. Layer 2 Solute scaling. To me, that's going to be the main thing. Let's take a look. And it's funny because I think Uniswap is actually what's contributing mostly to all the, it's like the price hike in gas fees. But let's see. So yeah. Oh yeah. So they're incorporating Loopring ZK rollups. I see. Wait no. Oh wait no. Okay no. This is just the developer saying that, or the guy who's writing the article saying that. But yeah, it looks like they're gonna be doing it, but I don't think they know what exactly they're gonna use for the layer 2 solution. I feel like they might do their own thing, to be honest. Yeah. Daniel says, it seems like a lot of people are willing to learn about crypto and just follow their most knowledgeable source. I know, bro. That's the shit, Daniel. But you know what, dude? Like, to a certain extent, like, I get it. Mainly just because it's like, all right, like when I had a 9 to 5 job before this, obviously very recently, like last year, like obviously I was still in the crypto, but it was a lot harder to keep in the know with what's going on, especially with the DeFi stuff happening. That was crazy. But I had no time. So obviously, people who have their 9 to 5 jobs, they do regular things, play games, all that stuff. Most of them won't learn about crypto, won't know about it, just because, yeah, like you said, it's still pretty complicated to get into. I'm not gonna lie. But so you're right. That's why it's kind of up to content creators, much like myself, but mainly the big ones like BitBoy and those other guys, to kind of be delivering like not only quality content but like accurate content as well, and just stuff that people want to hear about, right? No, yeah, that's what they're not going to make it, bro. Unfortunately. Jesus Scarpet says, "What does stacking mean?" Stacking, you mean like stacking sats? Is that what you're talking about? Stacking sats? If that's what you're talking about, it's essentially just buying a bunch of Bitcoin. It's like stacking on the gains, stacking on the crypto. I assume that's what you mean. If not, then maybe you were talking about something from over here. But yeah, no. So yeah, no. And you know what? And that's the thing. I think for the most part, that's kind of like that's like a burden. I think that content creators kind of have to take on. Like, for the most part, like I try to make sure my videos are as like knowledgeable and accurate as possible. Obviously, I know at the end of the day, like I'm not perfect. I'll fuck up here and there, 100%, 100%. But I think as long as people see the intention of what you're trying to do, I think that's kind of the main thing. As long as you're not losing the millions of dollars, so yeah, that would probably help a lot. But yeah. And Play 5 says they don't want the money. I remember when the internet got launched in the 90s. I will not miss this. Damn, yo. And Play 5 here is an OG, bro. Those guys are OG. And that's what I'm saying, bro. Listen, I technically did not live through the internet launch. I remember using AIM as a child. But that is true, bro. Like, I'm sure a lot of people thought it was a bubble, right? Like the dot-com bubble, right? And thought it would just go away. But now, literally, our whole life is the internet. Literally, our whole life is. And I honestly think blockchain is going to be the same, but like tenfold. Literally, like it's. I can't wait for this stuff to really pop off. People who bought Microsoft in the early '90s, they bought Islands in the 2000s. Damn. Nah, yeah, you're right, bro. You're right. That's the thing. I guess nowadays, since there's so much like stuff going on like in the world, it's hard to like pinpoint what you should keep your focus on as a human being. I'm saying, because we have this riots going on over there. New technology coming out every day, like in terms of smartphones, cameras, laptops, whatever. And people are always busy with their own shit. So like, I think it's hard I think that's why you do like, although it seems like to us, since we're all in the crypto for the most part, it seems to us like sometimes like you think everyone knows about this stuff. Like you'd be surprised. Like I've asked a couple people if they know what Bitcoin is. Like people in like companies who maybe like, oh, by the way, Bitcoin's booming right now. Hold on, let's look at like an actual like market right now. What am I doing? Let's go to trading view. But yeah, so it's like a lot of people just don't know about it. They just don't, and I don't want to say it's sad, but it's just surprising. Like, 'cause I remember, it's funny. I was at an interview last year for an engineering company, and they were asking me about like some stuff that I do. What do you call it? They were asking about what is it? They were asking about some shit on my resume, some shit about my resume, something about crypto, and I mentioned like Bitcoin. And she's like, "What's that?" I'm like, "You know what Bitcoin is?" Like I asked her literally like that, and I didn't get the job. No, unsurprisingly. Unsurprisingly. And Daniel says, sure, but also a lot of those early tech companies went bankrupt in response to what And Play 5 said about people making millions off Microsoft. No, Daniel, you're right. But that's why, like, the research is needed. And that's why, like, again, people, again, like in my position, for example, where it's making content, I feel like, part of our responsibility on here is to, like, kind of either expose these kind of things or, like, give people the tools to be able to expose those kind of things. That's why I made that video, how to spot a scam. Honestly, for the most part, it's pretty easy to spot a crypto scam if you just take a look at the indicators. What's going on, Sharif? My man. What's good? That's on you. You want to play 5? Yeah, no, listen, bro. At the end of the day, you're gonna get into a healthy amount of scams. I've gotten into a good amount as well. I haven't lost that much comparison to how much they potentially gained, but Doing your due diligence is definitely really important, bro. For sure. Learn how to read a bit of solidity goes a long way. Solidity. Yeah, no, for sure, bro. Damn, this man audits the contracts by himself. What a beast. Oh my god. It was so annoying. All right, so Bitcoin is currently 37,200. Guys, where oh my lord. I want to see what people are thinking on it's a strong buy in the technicals. We're in uncharted territory right now. Holy shit. He says, bro, I'm shaking. What a clown, bro. This man's shaking. Oh god. Yeah, no. This is crazy. Again, and for like, I think I told you guys, I don't even have that much Bitcoin. Again, I mainly have altcoins, and like I'm just excited to see this. And the crazy part is that again, there's like nowhere near as much like hype around this stuff right now. Like, hold on, let me pull this out real quick, and we'll bring up some of those Google trends. I love Google trends. I love to see the psychology of the people that we live with. All right, let's see. So let's look. If you look at Bitcoin, let's see. I'm sure it's probably popping off right now. Obviously, right now it looks like it's hitting all-time highs in terms of search trends. But if you look at the past 5 years, let's see. Ooh, we were at 25 the other day. We're hitting close to 50. We're trending towards 50. So we're literally at less than half the people who were looking for Bitcoin way back when it hit all-time highs in 2017, before it hit 20K. Right now we're at almost 40K, and we're literally less than half the search volume. Wow. Opportunity. Daniel says madness. Chainlink might get a new high. Oh god, what's going on with Chainlink? Hold on. We gotta have like multiple windows open for this. It's like, you look to the left, something's happening. Look to the right, another thing's happening. Let's see. Where's Chainlink at? $17.10, bro. I might need to actually look at Chainlink on a. Let's just go to the one of the markets. Let's go to the one on Binance. Let's take a look. Chainlink USD, and we're at 16.25. Oh, it says $17. Yeah. What was Chainlink's all-time high? Like $20. Chainlink is definitely another one, bro. Ooh, Mr. Stockfish. What a beast. Hey, bro, what would you say are your top 3 factual reasons why people are buying and demand is up in BTC? Factual. The government is printing more money. Number 1. That's the top one. That's usually that's enough. Number 2. It is scarce. It is limited. There's only 21 million, and probably a lot less than that because most people have lost it. So it's pretty much this. I would go as far to say that it's the most limited / scarce asset in the entire planet. Maybe not in the galaxy, but the entire planet. Because there's legitimately only 21 million ever made. And number 3, damn, I can't come up with a third one. I think those 2 were good enough, right? Factual reasons. I don't know. Like, okay, how about this? It's based off math. That's good enough. Sabrizi. Oh, wait. Okay. Hold on. Brian Mendonca. BTC's hype at the end of 2017 was something different. Do you think we'll see something similar? Oh, yeah. Well, see, that's the thing. Think about it. Like, the hype around at the end of 2017 wasn't anything near right now. Yeah, like, Bitcoin popped 30K, but I still feel like no one's talking about it. I mean, I'm getting a lot of people hitting me up again, like, homies who were talking about this shit back then too, but like nowhere near. I think the media is just like so inundated with everything else that's going on. Like they want to report on Bitcoin, but they can't. So it's good. Honestly, it's kind of good. I think we'll really see a lot of people talking about it again once we really hit like. I'll be honest with you. I think once we hit like either 50, when we're nearing 50K, I bet you're going to start seeing a lot of people talking about it again. And then obviously once it's 100K, it's over. I think it's going to be like the talk about it is going to be insane. Sabrigi says, "Hey Bfresh, what should I cash out right now?" All right, in terms of crypto, I wouldn't cash out anything. If you're talking about like anything else, I can't help you, bro. All right, how about this? What should you cash out on? The only thing I would cash out on right now that I think is overvalued, or maybe about to take a dump, is the dollar. Cash out on your dollars, actually. If you have any money, any US dollars, just cash out on that. You don't want it. All right. Stockfish says, I have a hypothesis. Large institutions are reconsidering their original perspectives on crypto. Yeah, no, dude, you're 100% correct, bro. All these institutions are starting to buy it up because they realize, like, I'm sure a lot of them obviously have their own investment portfolios to make more money for them, but I'm sure a lot of them just kept cash. And obviously with the government printing more and more, and especially now with apparently our whole entire government being Democratic or liberal, oh, they're about to run that printer. Do you think it will burst like a bubble at the end of 2017? This man just say cash out on some PS5s. You should cash out some PS5s. Will it burst like a bubble at the end of 2017? I don't think it will. I don't think so. Altcoins, a good amount of altcoins probably will, but I don't think Bitcoin and Ethereum will. Only because, and listen, we're getting to that what do you call it? To that conspiracy theory stage now. But I have a thought process where essentially the difference between now and 2017 is that I think now more than ever we're starting to need more ways of more avenues of decentralization. Bitcoin obviously being the main one, and just being able to distance yourself from apparent fraud and apparent over control. I know that was very vague, but like I think now more than ever people are starting to realize that they want to take some power back, which obviously at the end of the day, having power is having power is not having someone else have power over you for the most part, right? And what that means is keeping your money in your custody, aka Bitcoin, and not having assets that just inflate in value like the dollar. So definitely, I don't think it's gonna pop like it did in 2017. It's gonna drop, I'm sure, like a lot, but I don't think it's going back to 10K ever. Never, bro. I don't think we'll ever see a $10,000 Bitcoin again. Mark my words. Hell no. Harshal, my boy, what is good, my G? What's good? Yeah, bro. No, for really, I really don't think so. I mean, I don't know. Let's take a look at crypto Twitter right now. Let's see what these clowns are saying. This is, by the way, for those of you who aren't too familiar with crypto and you want to get familiar with it, hop on to crypto Twitter. Hop onto Twitter, follow people who are talking about crypto all day, and you'll be good. This is literally the only thing I do. People were talking to me about, GPUs. People were talking to me about, like what crypto groups I'm in Discord and stuff like that, or Telegram. And I'm like, I'm in none. The only thing I'm in is in Twitter. And by the way, actually, I should have mentioned. So GPUs. The GPUs, obviously, if you aren't familiar, have been selling out like hotcakes. Mainly just because, I would think mainly because, the whole pandemic and stuff, people were, they want to start building their computers and stuff. And apparently NVIDIA, they had like a whole backstock of graphics cards that at some point like ended up getting lost for like a minute. And they finally found it. I think it was like 50,000 graphics cards or something like that. So supply was very low. But especially now, the graphics cards are going up in price because like crypto's going up. Literally, you can kind of like attribute it to the same thing. And funny enough, if you're actually mining Ethereum right now, I think I saw another YouTuber talking about it, crypto. He was saying that he was mining about 0.2 Ethereum annually, so a year. 0.2 Ethereum is at this point is $200 a year, which isn't that. It's honestly not that much, but it's pretty impressive. I think he said he was doing that with a 3080. Let's see if it's still in stock or if it's sold out. Yeah, all that's sold out. All of it's sold out. I don't think it's worth mining, by the way. If you think you're gonna mine, just buy the crypto instead. Eugene says the next crash will probably be to 50K. You mean like for the next like the full bull bear market crash to 50K? I don't know. Like again, it just depends on how high it goes, And again, honestly, at this point, I'm just unsure. I'm honestly unsure. Like, and before I was saying that, yeah, we'll probably hit like 140K by the end of all this stuff. But guys, I don't even know. Like, we're already at 37K, and it's January 6th of this year. So it's crazy. We have like another 11 months to go for the next projected all-time high. I don't know. Hey, listen, if we can hit 250,000, I would be cool with that. I'd be happy with that. And honestly, what I would wonder too is how much of the market cap would be in Bitcoin. Because if you look at it right now, I think there's like a website that you can see like the total market caps. Let's see, Bitcoin market cap chart. Let's see, like where it compares Bitcoin market cap to other market caps of companies and stuff like that. Let's see. Let's see if I can find it. Well, number one, here's actually a market cap for Bitcoin, by the way. And Play 5 says 2.5 million by end of year. Don't underestimate how much money financial institutions have. Did you just $2.5 million per Bitcoin? All right, nah, bro. Even them all putting 1 to 5% of their portfolio sends us to Valhalla. Valhalla. Oh, these guys are great. But, hold on, bro. $2.5 million BTC. Hey, listen, you know what? 10 trillion market cap is nothing. If you put it in perspective, and Play 5 is right, bro. So essentially, okay, if we had a Bitcoin market cap of 2.5 trillion, no, a Bitcoin price of 2.5 trillion per coin, essentially giving us about what, $10 trillion market cap? Gold is $90 trillion, really? I thought gold was like, hold on, I need to find these, hold on, market cap chart versus Bitcoin. We need to look at a market cap chart real quick, because I know Apple is like 2 trillion, and right now the whole crypto space is 1 trillion. So Apple's worth double the entire crypto market essentially, which is nuts. Let's see, Bitcoin info charts. It's got to be like a website for that. Derivatives market is 1 quadrillion. Oh yeah, derivatives market. Yeah, I could see that. I say 1 quadrillion, bro. Is that even a word? How many trillions is 1 quadrillion? What? What? Ethereum goes to $50,000 to $77,000. Yo, this man. Yeah, and Play 5 has some crazy shit going. Honestly, listen. I hope that stuff happens, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's see, hold on. Bitcoin. Okay, let's do Bitcoin market cap versus Tesla market cap versus other assets. Okay, I think I might have it over here. Hold on. I think I might be able to pull it up. Let's see. Nope, that's not it. 2.5 million end of year ain't happening, says Eugene. 1,000 trillion is 1 quadrillion. $4 quadrillion in total existence. So like, there's $7 quadrillion in existence. Is that a thing? Okay, this is a great chart right here. Okay, here we go. Got some interesting stuff going on. All right. Come on, it's not letting me zoom in. All right, whatever. So each of these represents 180 billion bucks. Wait, this is 180 billion. No, this is a minute ago. This is 2019. Come on. Okay, so let's triple this. Let's triple this. That's what the Bitcoin market cap is now. So we triple this block, and it's the Bitcoin market cap right now, right? So Bitcoin is worth more than Facebook at this point, a little bit less than Google, less than Amazon, and obviously half of Apple right now. Oh yeah, shit. Yep, gold is worth a lot more than Bitcoin, obviously. But 90 trillion. Oh, here we go. Derivatives markets, world GDPs, China, European Union, United States, the global real estate market. Look at how many Bitcoins that is. So divide all this stuff by 3, and that's how much bigger it is than Bitcoin. The global debt. And this is all, of course, in 2019. Yeah. So pretty much, in comparison, Bitcoin is dumb small right now. Guys, Amazon and Apple are worth more than Bitcoin right now. Come on. Like, are you kidding me, bro? What a joke. What kind of a joke is that? You're telling me that this phone is worth more than a Bitcoin? That Bitcoin right there is worth more than my phone? Nah, bro. 2028 is a real bull run. Right? I'll be honest with you, bro. Like, if Bitcoin hits 2.5 million by the end of the year, it won't even be exciting, bro. That would be too easy. There's no way it's gonna get that high. Like, it just wouldn't be fun. You know what I mean? Where's the fun in making all that money so quick? I guarantee, honestly, bro, people would get depressed with how fast they made money. Guaranteed. Link Marines, stand up. What? Link Marines, bro. Yeah, how about Link, bro? See $1,000 Link? Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah. Elvis is right. Stop it. My bad. Stockfish is right. Not adjusted for inflation. Yeah, no, you're right. That is true. Oh yeah, especially after they just printed all that money. The banks in such will race. You lose 15% of your USD by holding it. That's why Saylor aped up into BTC. Yeah. Michael Saylor didn't give a shit, dude. MicroStrategy, they're all into Bitcoin, bro. And it's not surprising. It's really not. Like, they saw what's going on. They made a move, instead of kind of just pussyfooting around like most of these people do. Ugh. Hold on. I do want to find that little, let's see, Bitcoin Holdings companies. Okay, here we go. I want to see like a list of that, because I remember seeing that website. I think I have it here. Oh, here we go. Bam. Perfect. Thoughts on Cardano 2021? Apparently Cardano's making some moves, bro. Yeah, I'm sure it'll do great. I mean, what, it did like 70% already this week. I'm sure it'll do awesome. Especially with everything going up as much as it is. Oh, yeah. Just hold on, bro. If that's what you're holding right now, bro, just hold on to it, bro. Do your thing, As long as there are people willing to develop on it, it'll do fine, bro. That's as far as I'm concerned. But if there's like a blockchain that like just isn't getting attention, and no one's developing on it, then it's it's as useful as the products that are built on it. No products, no one's using it. That's how useful it is. AGI moved to ADA. Oh, really? I'll be honest with you, M1 Play 5, bro. I got me some AGI, bro. Should I move it to ADA? Cardano is full of PhDs and they make hella papers. Yeah, Charles Hoskinson. Okay, let's look at this little sheet right over here. So I know it's like a lot of numbers and stuff, but this is essentially the top companies holding Bitcoin. I forgot who was looking at this, but I'm pretty much just copying them right now, but it's okay. MicroStrategy holds $70,000 worth. I'm sorry, 70,000 BTC, not dollars. 70,000 BTC. That's 0.3% of all Bitcoin in existence. We might have to bring out the calculator real quick. Hold on. Just like last time. All right. Okay, let's go to graphing calculator. So, what they're saying essentially is that MicroStrategy holds 70,000. So 70,470 Bitcoin times the price of Bitcoin, which is $37,000, which is, oh my lord. All right, I'm gonna need some math words in the comments. 2.6 to the 10. Wait, 2.6 times 10 to the power of 9. What is that, like 2.6 billion? Is it billion? No. Yeah, it's billion, right? I think it's more than that, actually. AGI, hodl it. AGI will work on mad change. All right, good. I'm hodling my AGI. All right, good. I was going to sell it, too. All right, good. Ooh, Anonymous. We got a B for Vendetta over here. He says he bought yesterday $6,000 in ETH. This is his first time, and he's scared. He's already in a little profit. Should he hold and sell? Should he hold or sell? Oh, all right, boys. I'm gonna need you to give him some thoughts in the comments. Bro, listen, Anonymous. I don't know if you're joking or not, but if you did buy it at 6K yesterday, obviously in ETH. So yeah, like you said, you're up right now. This is what I'm gonna tell you, bro. What is your situation in life? Do you need that money tomorrow? Do you need to you need to pay some bills? You know what I'm saying? Do you need to do you need to buy yourself some sort of thing to help you work? I don't know. Do you need that money tomorrow, next week, next month, or whatever? If you don't, leave it there, bro. Leave it. Leave it. Okay, so leave it, bro. All right? Leave it, bro. I'm telling you. You might as well just leave it. Cause, okay, at the end of the day, I know we all got to say it's not financial advice and all that stuff. And it's not. My humble opinion, if I was in your situation, if you don't need the money, throw it in there. And if you really don't know about crypto, forget about it. Wait till a couple months down the line, you'll be good. Guaranteed. Join us in the coaster, bro. Exactly. Get on the back. We got some room for you. Yeah, M1 Play 5 says hodl. You can take all the profit. It's all about what your game plan is. Exactly. Literally. It just depends. Brian Mendonca says, have you heard the altcoin Rubendonese? I have never heard of that, brother. It sounds like a country. I'll look into it, though. Rubendonese. Yeah, Stockfish says, hold it, disregard the price, and own the asset. Yo! Stockfish got some real stuff going on, bro. That's exactly what I'm talking about. I want to live long enough on this planet to be able to hold my Ethereum and spend it like it's legitimate currency. That's how long I want to live on this planet for. Once I see that, I'll be set. And Bitcoin, obviously. the other cryptos. You know, but no, you bought these nuts. No. No, actually, you good. Your body's nuts. Damn. Your body's nuts. Oh my god, this guy, bro. I'm like trying to search it up on Marketcap, and I'm like, what the fuck? What is this? Yo. No. You know what? Listen, Brian gets a reward for that. Yo. Alright. And Play 5 says you will. 3D printed body parts and Neuralink coming soon. We back, bro. That's a fact. I mean, listen, bro. There are already companies that take Bitcoin, like Newegg, for example, right? What was another one? Overstock takes it, so you can legitimately spend crypto already, like legitimately. Like I've used it before. I'm talking about like going in person. That'd be lit. But yeah, no, yeah, bro. Neuralink, Tesla's. I'm waiting for Tesla to buy some Bitcoin, bro. I want Elon Musk to say that he bought like a whole bunch of Bitcoins, if not Bitcoins and Dogecoins at least. Blurg says buy a loaf of bread with 0.0001 ETH, pay zero. Pay 0.01 ETH in fees. Yeah, no, Blurg, exactly. No, you're right. So that's I'm obviously assuming that ETH 2 has come out already, and we're good. I mean, listen, I'll be honest with you. Like, when I say I want to be able to spend ETH, I really mean like I want to be able to spend. Like, I don't care what crypto it is, as long as I can spend it. Like, as I can have like a mobile wallet on my phone, put my phone to it, and I'm good. That's lit. You know what I mean? If I can go to like Zimbabwe, they accept whatever crypto it is. I scan my the QR code and that's it. I don't know, like something about that to me is like so like I don't know. It's obviously we've been in this space for what, like 3 years, 4 years now at this point. I feel like like we're part of the journey, seeing that happen. Seeing like true financial wealth, the true financial I want to say individualism. But freedom, that's what I meant. Yeah, bro. That was a good show. Yeah, it was. Monolith is a DeFi Visa card coming to the USA soon. Is it? What? My friend was talking to me about a DeFi, like a decentralized credit cards. I'm like, I can't see that existing. But I want to look into that if it's a thing. Yeah, but like, do I need to give them my information? That's the question. Harshall's right, bro. I wouldn't spend my precious ETH. You're talking about this one, right? Monolith. Oh, this looks dope. Oh, some dope graphics over here. European Monolith DeFi account. Buy, spend, or hold crypto and earn high interest. Token is a token of it. Made ETH cards in 2021 coming. Interesting. So I don't need to then. Let's see the pricing on it. Our fees and the limits. $0 a monthly fees. There's obviously a purchase fee, all that stuff. Replacement card fee. So you're telling me that, hold on, team help. Okay, deploy your own contract wallet. You own your own DeFi portal to the Ethereum network Fire. Unlike other service providers, your funds won't disappear if everything else does, because it's on the blockchain. DEX aggregator, swap to any token in seconds and get the market rate every time, much like Uniswap. ENS support, Fire. Add money, buy DAI directly in app for 0 fees. I wonder how you do that. Interact with Ethereum dApps directly from your Monolith app. People using it in Europe. Wait, hold on. So just to be clear again, so then you do need to give them your information, or you don't? That's what, because that to me that's the main thing. You live in Europe. Order your Monolith card today. Spend your Ethereum based at 45 plus merchants. Interesting. That'd be cool, bro. Listen, I would be. If there's a card where I can literally just be able to sweat, because that's the other thing. Like, as long as I can pay with my crypto somehow, whether it's a card, whether it's my phone, I prefer it to be a phone, to be honest with you. But whatever it is, like that'd be awesome, bro. I know you can already do that. It's just about the adoption. It's about getting store owners to do it, right? It's about getting the masses to understand how crypto works in an easy way to use and understand. Like today, I was. I was talking with someone I know about the Ledger app, and we were trying to get it set up and all that stuff. It was such like an arduous process to get everything set up. It was ridiculous. So many steps, so complicated. We had to troubleshoot like 30 minutes, and then it finally got it to work. But like, crypto's still a little bit too complicated for the masses to get. I think. SXP, QRX, those are also DeFi like Visa cards. Full DApp is a Bitcoin Visa card. You get Satoshis and rewards. That's fire. A Visa card where you get literally your rewards in sats. That's dope. Stockfish says, but investing you profit through the duration of your holding period on the asset, like owning a car, I assume, or like owning a farm and profit in apples, or hold a house and profit in rent money. Oh, no, like owning a farm and profiting in apples, or holding house and profiting in rent money. Right. No, exactly. No, you're right. That is true. Yeah, it's hard to onboard people. Exactly. Brian says, with crypto going up and down every couple of seconds, how do you feel it will be a viable currency for small businesses to accept? They will have to take a risk for each transaction they accept, right? Brian, that is true. Exactly. No, you're right. And that's the thing. I mean, obviously the volatility is hard to it's hard to have this being accepted as a currency, but you need to look at this perspective, Brian. Like, again, and like at this point, all right, I'm gonna get a little bit conspiracy theory on y'all. As most people will think of it as. In my opinion, the ultimate goal for Bitcoin, Ethereum, for crypto, is to have the base be Bitcoin or Satoshis or whatever. So we're not basing the price of Bitcoin off dollars. You're basing everything off the price of Bitcoin. You see what I'm saying? So instead of saying, like, for example, this iPhone is $700, right? Well, as the norm, be saying this iPhone is like 1,000 Satoshis, essentially. That's what we'll be saying. Or, you know, 0.2 Bitcoin or whatever, right? The point is that Bitcoin will be the reserve currency. That's the goal. Obviously, that's conspiracy theory stuff right now. Right now it is. But, yeah, no, I agree with you. Yeah, and I think N1Play5 said that too. Yeah, stable coins. Right now you can use stable coins. Exactly. Bitcoin will be the base, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Sharif said, should I put all my money in ETH? Okay, again, not financial advice. It just depends on how risky you want to get, bro. Like, I have, like, so I'll be honest with you, like, I have, like, like, half of my portfolio probably, like, in ETH. Other half in, like, different altcoins and stuff. So, personally, I think ETH is like, to me, ETH is the best cross between safe and great way to multiply your money. Because Bitcoin to me is like, safe is obviously you won't make as much money, but if you know, if you put it in Bitcoin rather than ETH, so ETH is like a little bit more risky than Bitcoin, but it's still pretty guaranteed. And then, you know, Cardano, Polkadot, the rest, obviously more riskier than ETH, but potential for gains is a lot higher. So Sharif, just measure your risk is what I would say to that. Stockfish, why do people say they're investing in BTC when they don't get paid throughout their holding period? Only makes sense when they sell their BTC. Oh, I see what you're saying, Stockfish. Yeah, so like, I mean, the thing is that, put it this way, bro. Most people probably like, they don't like understand investing in general. Stockfish is essentially saying that like, to really be investing in something, it's not just buying it and leaving it there. It's getting some sort of return on it throughout the duration of your holding that investment. That's why before you mentioned like buying a farm and getting apples from the trees in that farm, or getting, you know, meat from the cows in that farm. It's, you know, it's an investment obviously in the property and whatnot, but you're getting continuous return from it rather than just selling it at the end of however long you own it and just getting that return on the property. Yeah, so I see what you're saying. Well, not everyone knows about investing, bro. But you do look at it a little bit differently. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, I hold a lot of ETH. I hold a lot of whatever other altcoins. I mean, I guess it just depends on how you define investing, I guess. I don't know. The Zaza, XLM, ADA. Yo, this man's got rocket ships and UFOs. Bullish. Yeah, it won't play 5, bro. That's what I'm saying. Bitcoin will be the base. That pillow right there will be the base. That is the world I am hoping to live in, bro. It's just, to me, it's like so authentic. You know what I mean? Like, and I hope that Satoshi is never found, bro. I hope that no one ever finds out who Satoshi is. If he still exists, I hope he just stays just chilling, bro. Just relaxes. Like, he doesn't say anything. He's out there in the Bahamas or some shit, hanging out with the fishies or something, you know? I would love that. Because, like, I don't know, like, there's so much, like, oh, how do you say? There's so much, like, there's so much importance put on, so much value put on not knowing who the owner, who the creator of this Bitcoin product is. You know what I'm saying? Not that product, but of the Bitcoin blockchain. There's so much value to that. To me, it's unprecedented. I honestly think that if we found out who Satoshi was tomorrow, I wouldn't say Bitcoin would be like. I wouldn't say it would be any less valuable, but it would definitely take away a lot of the kind of the magic it has. I hate to say magic because we're talking about stuff that people don't understand, but like it takes away the power, I feel like, of it. Because once you associate a face with the product, you kind of start to associate the values of the person with the product, even if the values aren't good. That's why like Tesla, for example, a good amount of people like it because of Elon Musk, right? And because of what they're doing. But a good amount of people don't like it because of Elon Musk too. So rather than focusing on the product, they're focusing on the guy who made it. But it doesn't really matter because the product's already out. It's working. Why would you care? Yeah, I want to play 5. Yeah, rap Bitcoin. Very true, very true. Did Lush say BTC giveaway? Bro, you giving me some free BTC? I do want to do a giveaway at some point. But not yet. I'm not rich enough yet. And Play 5 says, as being a former BSV head, I think 30% Craig Wright is Satoshi. He says he doesn't know. He feels like the real one won't be found. He has to be sitting in the back laughing. I think so, bro. I don't know, bro. I think Craig Wright's bugging out. Didn't he back off once the SEC said that they were gonna fine him or something, or tax him on it or something like that? I don't know. But nah, yeah, bro. He's probably sitting back and just chilling. Whoever it is, I hope so. Daniel says, imagine the real Satoshi reveals himself and no one believes him. Yo, imagine. That would be frustrating, bro. Well, you saw the guy that they accused of being Satoshi, right? He was like, poor guy. Some random, literally, some random Asian dude. He's like, I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Leave me alone. Stockfish says, when is ETH 2.0 coming out? He wants to receive ETH dividends quick for investing and hodling ETH. ETH 2, so you can already get return on your investment with ETH 2.0. The beacon chain's already out. You can do it. I would recommend, if you're going to do it, just doing it through Anchor or Staker, really what it is. Because it's a lot easier as far as I'm concerned. You don't have to worry about running your node and all that stuff. Literally, bro, you just let them do it, essentially. So if you're not familiar with how to do it, I would go to this website right here, staker.io. Zaza says, do you think there will be a slight pullback or gains will continue this week for alts? I think it depends on what Bitcoin and ETH do. I think it's, for the most part, usually when the Cadillacs are running, altcoins tend to relax. But we're in a very interesting scenario. There's so much money coming into crypto right now that the Cadillacs have been pumping this entire time, and obviously, just recently, the altcoins have been starting to kind of follow suit because there's so much money flowing in. You know what I mean? There's so much money flowing in that the Cadillacs aren't even getting a break. The people are still investing into them, and the people who invested into them beforehand are emptying out into the altcoins already. So, in my opinion, I don't think altcoins are done yet. I think they're still going to keep racing. It depends on the altcoins that you have, obviously. Yeah, dude. He's still on 100%, to be honest. That's what they would quit. Oh, God. Yeah, ETH 2.0 is in stages. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, you should look at this, though, if anything, if you're going to stake on ETH 2. Definitely it's a lot more hands-off. Because I was thinking about it, too, but, I don't know. And actually, look, I forgot about this. So I'm sure you'll find this interesting. So you don't need to actually put in 32 ETH when you stake through Staker. You can actually put in, any... I think you can put in as small as 0.5 ETH. Which won't really, you'll do that much. But let's say you have the full 32, right? For the full node. Not that it matters here, but you'll get essentially, let's see. You'll get 3.7 ETH at the end of the year. Wow. 2K. It doesn't seem like a lot now, but think about it. If ETH really hits, say it hits 10K? Let's say it hits 5K? Bro, you end up getting $16,000, $17,000 at the end of the year. That's a lot. Rocket pool. Yeah, bro. Exactly. Rocket pool. Literally. Exactly. Yeah. So, yeah. I would look here. Rocket pool is also a pretty good one, too. I almost forgot about them. And the good thing is that they give you, obviously, they give you 8 ETH in return. So, you can literally pretty much do the same thing with 8 ETH, I'm sure, once different centralized exchanges start, kind of taking it and creating pairs for it. So awesome fire. Awesome stuff you can do. Oh my god. Let's see what's yeah, no, things are just chilling. 37.1. Ethereum's at 1200. Polkadot's pumping as we speak. 10.4. I think it's at 10.7 just now. Oh god, this is crazy. Well, let's see some other stuff. What else is Synthetics is cooling down finally, by the way. This shit was on a run. This whole time I was thinking about buying some Synthetics. Because after I made the video, after doing some more research on it, shit's crazy. And I'm sure, actually, I think you guys might find this interesting. So some guy commented on my Synthetics video and said that, because I mentioned that like soon they're going to be adding the ability to trade stocks in the blockchain. So, having like a ERC20 token mirror a stock. You can pretty much trade stocks without having to need like a stock account or whatever. You trade the trading account on Robinhood or whatever. But dude, they already have it. Not Synthetics, but Mirror Protocol apparently. Look at Ave. Okay, I'll look at Ave right after. Yeah, I didn't see that. Because my friend was talking about Ave too. But look at this shit. So you can literally. Let me see. I need to go to the actual. Here we go. Look, you can literally trade different stocks on here. These are ERC20 tokens, apparently. I need to do more research on this, but this looks nuts. You can trade different stocks that are essentially in the blockchain. So I'm gonna look at this a little more before I even recommend it. But just thought I'd put you guys on first. Mirror Protocol. All right, Ave. Let's see what we got here. Oh wait, why is Ave has been all around longer than this? Why is it? Hasn't it been? October. That's weird. Oh, here we go. No, what the? I'm bugging out, bro. Got the airdrop. This is gonna send ETH to the moon mid 2021. Alright, got that airdrop. Oh, word. Wait, hold on. You said MIR? Yeah, Miracle. Oh, yeah. You got that. Oh, so that was an airdrop. Oh, wait. So what's the? How much does it cost? How much is the coin? 396. Oh, it just came out. Yo, looks like a cop. Oh, Ave changed tokens. Okay, I was gonna say that didn't make any sense. Yo, Mirror just came out, bro. I'm gonna do some research. $23 million market cap. I'm gonna do some research, bro. Anyways, okay. Yeah, okay, it changed. That's why. Okay. Len is migrated to Ave. Oh, yeah, because it was Len before. Damn, bro. I love crypto. This is crazy. Oh, so we can't look at the other one? Ah, damn. Oh, 100 per 1 Ave. Oh, okay, so that's why it looked like it raised up. Okay, I see. Dude, wait, so Mirror just came out? I might have to look into that. Yo, stay tuned, bro. Because it's funny, because I literally made that video about Synthetics, and then someone was like, oh, well, this already exists. I think he was like low-key like trying to like throw shade at me. He was like, yeah, some people just don't do their research and just, don't realize. I'm like, all right, brother. All right, buddy. Thanks for telling me at least. What are they? Yeah, Uniswap obviously is where they're traded on. MXC, 0.1. Bro, it shows that the exchange, bro, it just costs so much to trade on Uniswap right now. Let me see if we can take a live look at what the prices are looking like on Uniswap. Because as much as I want to like buy some ERC20s, I can't. It's just so expensive. I'm also kind of a cheap ass. I mean, I don't want to spend $15 on a transaction fee. Well, $15 I'll do. If I know it's a good trade, I'll do it. But like $30? Nah, bro. That's crazy. I can't do that. I'm a broke boy, bro. Can't be doing that. All my crypto's stored. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try to take a look at let's see. All right, select token. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys my screen in a second here. Let's see, max. Okay, let's take a look over here. All right, so we're on Uni right now. Is Mirror? Wait, hold on. Can I? Oh, it's not on here yet. Okay. All right. Well, okay. Let's just say I'm not gonna actually do this. If I want to transform my 50 Uni into a whole bunch of Ample. Let's see. Minimum received. Price impact is nothing, and here's the liquidity provider fee. Okay. I feel like that's kind of a lot, but okay, whatever. Let's say I swap it. Okay, blah, blah, confirm swap. I'm not going to confirm the transaction. Oh, it's $30. It's literally $30. I wish I could show you my screen, but because it's a pop out. But literally, the gas fee is 0.02 ETH, 0.023. Oh, $27, dude. What are they, nuts? Hell no, reject that shit. Get that out of here. If you trade on 1 inch using limit orders, there's no gas. Really? Yo. And one Play 5 putting me on, bro. What's going on with this 1 inch, bro? I remember I was going to use 1 inch before they, oh, damn, 1 inch looks so good. Wow, this looks really good. No, this looks really good. Honestly, I just thought it looked like a copy of Uniswap. I remember I was going to use it at some point, but I never did. All right. Let's go to... Damn, bro. You see, if I do a limit order... Oh, lowest gas cost, I see. Interesting. Chai gas token. I might have to do that. Dude, that's how you know... you see all this stuff that my guy over here, A1 Play 5 is kind of spitting. Like, you really need to be in on this shit to like, I don't know, like, prosper in this space. I mean, you don't need to know that much to do good. Like, if you really want to make some bucks, bro, you got to be on it like AM1. Yeah, he don't sleep. He doesn't sleep, bro. You're bugging, dude. Oh my god, I need to look into this though for sure, because it's pretty crazy that. So yeah, I see here. Okay, 42% cheaper because of Chai gas token. I wonder how much this cost. CHI. Oh, Chi. I said Chai, bro. Yeah, bro. Twitter. I don't know, man. It's as much as I would love to, I can't. But this is fire though. I'm actually gonna I got a couple of things to look into now. Definitely this Mirror Protocol as well. I've been meaning to take some money out of my some of the other dead alts that I have in my portfolio. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. But all right, let's see. Just to kind of end things off here. Let's take a look. Bitcoin's back down at 37. Boo hoo. Right? Ugh, it's dumping. Oh no, we're back at 37. Not kidding. 37,000, 1,200 for Ethereum. Things are looking beautiful right now. So, obviously, you guys in the comments, in my opinion, if you are holding any crypto right now, you're thinking about selling, I would relax a little bit. Yeah, the market will probably correct at some point. I think most likely soon. But you want to play it safe, I would just chill, relax, bro. As soon as you see it dipping, just go to sleep. Don't worry about it, all right? Hell yeah, bro. It's a beautiful night right now, okay? As long as we're not in Capitol Hill, but it's a beautiful night. But all right, brothers. And Play 5, thank you for coming through again. Appreciate you, brother. Daniel, Stockfish, Sharif, Zaza, Lush, all y'all. Brandon as well. Brian? Is it Brandon? Brian. Thank you guys for coming through. I will see you guys on the next one. All right? Peace out. Daniel, we'll talk soon, by the way.